And let's talk about the fit. This dress hugs all the right places, highlighting her curves in the most flattering way possible. It's form-fitting without being restrictive, and it just looks so comfortable to wear. To top it all off, she's accessorized with these gorgeous hoop earrings. They're simple, yet statement-making, adding just the right amount of glamour to the overall look. And her hair? Flawless. Those curls are perfectly styled, framing her face beautifully. Overall, this outfit is a total showstopper. It's got that perfect mix of sexiness and sophistication, and it's clearly been put together with a lot of thought and care. She's killing it, folks. This is what fashion dreams are made of. All right, y'all, let me tell you about this stunning outfit. It's got that perfect blend of edgy and elegant, and it's absolutely making a statement. First off, we've got this black off-the-shoulder dress. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, and it just screams confidence. The way it drapes around her shoulders, so chic, so effortless. It's like she's saying, I'm here and I'm owning this moment. Now check out those long sleeves. They're sheer, but not too revealing. It's that delicate balance between sexy and subtle. The sheer fabric adds a touch of mystery, while still keeping things classy. The centerpiece of this look is definitely the unique cutout detail on the front. Those 3 circular cutouts are bold and modern, breaking up the solid black in a really eye-catching way. It's like a piece of art, honestly. It gives the dress a bit of an avant-garde vibe, which is totally on trend right now. Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road, and more style that your ex could handle. Don't just scroll. Stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet.